Yeah. Welcome to High 95. For those of you who didn't know, enjoy the ride. They say I didn't know what I was getting myself into with this rap shit, but when I drop the track, these people ask who's that kid. I'm all about my cake, I'm looking like a fat kid. I sit around at lunch and stuff my face with all this cash, bitch. So just relax, trick, you are the last picked. You only playing cause the teacher is a damn prick, but you are hitting last and I am pitching fast and kickball, I moneyball like Brad Pitt. Witty is he now, these people wanna be me cause I'm rising to the top. Now all these people come to see me. Eeny meenies, how I'm picking out these biddies. All of a sudden there's so many, so I'm feeling Charlie Sheeny. Please believe me, I came to get it like takeout. We baked out, I didn't wanna, but your chick was finna make out. So I apologize, your girl has been with other guys. I really only did it cause I was feeling extremely high. This is the 95, high's the eye, we fly the skies. Try to find a higher guy, you spitting sicker rhymes than I. I'm chilling with my homies up on cloud 9. It's my time to shine, inclined to make it mine cause I'm just feeling like I'm better than these other spitters. A heavy hitter, hitting fourth, now all these rappers bitter. You are a quitter, hit my Twitter with that hate and chitter chatter. Getting bigger, play my songs and all the haters scatter. Cause this their kryptonite, up all night cause it's rhymes I write. In my office, work like Dwight, this flow so flawless, shine so bright. I'm so right, sip a Sprite and I just might start a fight with any other rapper who believes that they can steal my light. Right now, I'm just feeling so untouchable. I'm eating rappers up, so I treat them like they Lunchables. I got a bundle full of all these smart lines. Call me TJ Henderson, I'm a smart guy. Yeah. It's High 95. Your exit's right here. Yeah. Psych.